In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to feel drained, depleted, and disconnected. The demands of work, family, and social obligations can leave us feeling like we're running on empty. But what if there was a way to tap back into your natural source of energy to feel vibrant and alive again? What if I told you that within you lies a wellspring of energy, a life force that's just waiting to be unleashed? This energy is not something you need to create or acquire. It's already there within you. But sometimes this energy gets blocked, leading to feelings of fatigue, stress, and even illness. These blockages can be caused by a variety of factors, from emotional baggage and past traumas to unhealthy habits and negative thought patterns. But the good news is you have the power to clear these blockages and restore your natural flow of energy. And it's easier than you might think. And over the next 3 days, we'll guide you through a simple yet transformative process to dissolve these blockages and reignite your inner spark. This method is a blend of ancient wisdom and modern techniques designed to work with your body, mind, and spirit. And it requires no special skills or experience, just an open mind and a willingness to explore your own potential. If you're ready to break free from the chains of fatigue and step into a life of vitality, abundance, and joy, then stay with us. Your journey to a more energized life starts now. To understand how to clear these blockages, we first need to understand what energy is. In its simplest form, energy is the capacity for doing work. It's the force that drives everything in the universe, from the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy. In our bodies, energy manifests as our life force, flowing through pathways known as meridians. This energy is what animates us, powering our physical functions, thoughts, emotions, and even our spiritual connection. But energy isn't just about physical vitality. It's also about our mental and emotional states. When our energy flows freely, we feel clear-headed, positive, and emotionally balanced. But when blockages occur, it can lead to mental fog, negative emotions, and even emotional distress. Similarly, when our energy is aligned with our spirit, we feel a sense of purpose, meaning, and connection to something greater than ourselves. But when our energy is misaligned, we can feel lost, disconnected, and spiritually unfulfilled. So, how do we clear these energy blockages and restore our natural flow? That's where our 3-day method comes in. Each day we'll focus on a different practice to address the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of our energy. These practices are simple, yet incredibly powerful, and they can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. On day 1, we'll begin with breath work. The breath is a powerful tool for clearing energy blockages. By focusing on our breath and using specific breathing techniques, we can release stagnant energy, calm the mind, and create a sense of inner peace. On day 2, we'll move on to visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for reprogramming the subconscious mind. By visualizing ourselves as healthy, vibrant, and full of energy, we can start to break down the negative patterns that are holding us back. Now on day 3, we'll focus on grounding. Grounding is the practice of connecting with the earth's energy. By spending time in nature, walking barefoot on the grass, or simply placing our hands on the earth, we can draw in healing energy and release any excess energy that we may be carrying. By the end of these 3 days, you'll be well on your way to clearing your energy blockages and restoring your natural flow of energy. You'll feel more energized, more focused, and more connected to yourself and the world around you. So, are you ready to start on this transformative journey? Let's start our journey with day 1, breath work. Breath work is often underestimated, but it's one of the most powerful tools we have to influence our energy. Think about it. Our breath is always with us from the moment we're born to the moment we take our last breath. It's our constant companion, and it's intimately connected to our life force energy. When we're stressed or anxious, our breath becomes shallow and rapid. This shallow breathing restricts the flow of oxygen to our bodies and minds, leaving us feeling even more tense and depleted. depleted, but when we breathe deeply and consciously, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. This slows down our heart rate, lowers our blood pressure, and promotes a sense of calm and well-being. Deep breathing also helps to release trapped emotions and energy. When we hold our breath, we're often holding on to something else as well: anger, fear, sadness, or even joy. By allowing ourselves to breathe fully and deeply, we can release these emotions and the energy that's been tied up with them. For today's practice, we'll focus on a simple yet effective breathing technique called diaphragmatic breathing. This type of breathing engages your diaphragm, the large muscle at the base of your lungs, allowing you to take deeper breaths and fully oxygenate your body. Here's how to do it. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. As you inhale, focus on expanding your belly, not your chest. You should feel your belly rise as you breathe in. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall. Continue this pattern, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth for 5-10 minutes. If you feel lightheaded or dizzy, take a break and resume when you're ready. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to breathe. Just focus on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. Notice how it feels as it fills your lungs and expands your belly. With each breath, imagine yourself releasing any stagnant energy and filling your body with fresh, revitalizing energy. While you continue this practice, you may notice a sense of calm washing over you. You may feel your body relax, your mind quiet, and your energy begin to flow more freely. This is the power of breath work. Now that you've experienced the power of breath work, let's move on to day 2, visualization. Visualization is a technique where you use your imagination to create a mental image of what you want to achieve or experience. It's a way of communicating with your subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in shaping our beliefs, habits, and ultimately our reality. Think of your subconscious mind like a computer program. It runs in the background, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, often without us even realizing it. But just like a computer program, it can be reprogrammed. And that's where visualization comes in. By visualizing ourselves as already having what we desire, we can start to change the underlying beliefs and patterns that are holding us back. In the context of energy clearing, visualization can be a powerful tool for dissolving blockages. And when we visualize our energy flowing freely, we're essentially telling our subconscious mind that this is our new reality. This can help to break down any resistance or limiting beliefs that are keeping us stuck. For today's practice, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Now imagine your energy as a vibrant, flowing river. See it coursing through your body, nourishing every cell and organ. Notice any areas where the flow seems blocked or stagnant. Now imagine a warm, golden light entering your body. See this light flowing to the areas where your energy is blocked, gently dissolving any obstacles and restoring the natural flow. As you visualize this, repeat positive affirmations like, "My energy flows freely and effortlessly," or "I am vibrant and full of life." Continue this visualization for 5-10 minutes, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Feel the warmth of the light, the sensation of your energy flowing, and the sense of peace and well-being that comes with it. Remember, visualization is a skill that takes practice. The more you do it, the easier it will become. And the more you believe in your ability to create change, the more powerful your visualizations will be. So be patient with yourself, trust the process, and allow your imagination to soar. Now we move to day 3 of our energy clearing journey. Today we're going to focus on grounding. Grounding, also known as earthing, is the practice of connecting with the earth's energy. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to balance our energy, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being. You see, the earth has a natural negative charge, while our bodies tend to accumulate positive charge. When we're ungrounded, this excess positive charge can build up, leading to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and even physical pain. Grounding allows us to discharge this excess energy, returning our bodies to a more balanced state. Grounding also helps to replenish our energy stores. The earth is a vast reservoir of energy, and by connecting with it, we can tap into this energy and revitalize ourselves. It's like plugging into a power source and recharging our batteries. There are many ways to practice grounding. One of the simplest and most effective is to walk barefoot on the grass, sand, or dirt. As you walk, imagine roots growing from your feet, connecting you to the earth's energy. Feel the coolness of the earth beneath your feet, the softness of the grass, or the warmth of the sand. If you don't have access to nature, you can still practice grounding indoors. Sit or lie down and place your hands on the floor or a wall. Close your eyes and imagine a cord of energy extending from your body down into the earth. Feel the energy flowing from the earth up into your body, filling you with strength and vitality. Another way to ground yourself is to spend time with plants or animals. Plants are naturally grounded, and spending time in their presence can help to balance our energy. Animals also have a calming and grounding effect, so petting a dog or cat or simply observing wildlife can be a great way to connect with the earth's energy. Incorporating grounding into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your energy levels, and you may notice that you feel more centered, more focused, and more emotionally balanced. You may also find that you sleep better, have more energy, and are less affected by stress. While you continue with this practice, pay attention to how it makes you feel. Experiment with different grounding techniques and see which ones resonate with you the most. Remember, the most important thing is to find a practice that feels good and that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. If you've learned powerful techniques for releasing stagnant energy, reprogramming your subconscious mind, and connecting with the earth's energy. By now, you may be noticing some positive shifts in your energy levels and overall well-being. Perhaps you feel lighter, more energized, or more emotionally balanced, or maybe you're experiencing a newfound sense of clarity and purpose. These are all signs that the practices are working. Remember, energy clearing is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process. Just as we need to eat and drink to nourish our bodies, we also need to regularly clear our energy to maintain our vitality and well-being. But what if you're not feeling any changes yet? That's okay too. Everyone's energy is different, and the effects of these practices can vary from person to person. Some people may notice immediate shifts, while others may take longer to feel the benefits. If you're not feeling any changes yet, don't get discouraged. Trust the process and continue with the practices. Be patient with yourself, and remember that even small shifts in your energy can have a big impact on your life. It's also important to be aware of any temporary discomfort or detox symptoms that you may experience. As you release stagnant energy, you may feel some physical or emotional discomfort. This is a normal part of the process, and it's a sign that your body is releasing what it no longer needs. We encourage you to share your experiences with us. Let us know how the 3-day energy clearing journey has impacted you. Have you noticed any changes in your energy levels, your mood, or your overall well-being? What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? Your comments and insights can inspire and support others who are on their own energy clearing journeys. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and practices to support your well-being. We're passionate about empowering you to live your best life, and we have a wealth of resources to share with you. We hope that these practices have empowered you to tap into your own inner wisdom and connect with your life force energy. Remember, you are the creator of your own reality. By taking charge of your energy, you can create a life that's filled with joy, abundance, and limitless possibilities.